today I'm going to show you how to make this super pretty multi-tone bow. So as you can see, you've got your white, your pink and the two marble pieces here, and obviously I've chosen the white and the pink because it really matches this lovely marble effect ribbon, which is amazing. And obviously I've done a slightly different centrepiece as well, which is like almost plaited centre. So I'm going to show you how to make this. And while I'm here, I thought I've had a ribbon delivery today, and look at this. Such pretty marble effect ribbon. And I've got some 1.5 inch ribbons, so I've been making some tutorials with this as well. I just haven't decided which colours to mix it with yet. And I got this from Eva's ribbon bow supplies. I'll put the links in the description below if you're in the UK, and you can pick up some of this ribbon there. Like I said, I've got 5 meters in all the 1.5 inch ribbon, and I got 3 meters each in the 3 inch ribbon. But like I said, they're really pretty. So like I said, if you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description box for you. But what you'll need is 4 pieces of 6.5 inches each, and as you can see, we've got 2 of the marble ones and 1 white and 1 pink, but you could do 2 white or 2 pink depending on which you sort of want to play around with, or you could even do 4 colours and go a bit crazy. Like I said, it's up to you, but like I said, I like these because it matches. And I have heat sealed all 4 pieces, both ends, and I have creased all the edges like this. And what I'm going to do on the plain colours, I'm going to fold them in half again, just do a little pinch, I know where the centre is, and the same on the white one. Just a little pinch so we can see a guide of where we put our ribbon together. And then all you want to do is decide which colour you want to see the most of. So if you want to see more marble, you put the marble on the top. If you want to see more white, you put the white on the top. But I use that little guide there where I've done the mark on the centre, like so, and then we can pin that piece together like so. As we can see, we've done the more marble look on this one, and we're going to do the same on this side. Again, use your little guide like so. I'm going to do more marble, as you can see, and pin that in place like that. And obviously if you wanted it like a peekaboo, it would be like this, but obviously we're not, we're twisting it so we've got the prints on the opposite sides. So you turn it like this, and the key thing to do is when you're doing it, make sure you've got your widths the right size. So if you've got your guides right, both sides will be the same size, as you can see, which is what you want. And then you want to take your needle and thread and start from above. Make sure you're going through both your layers, and I won't count, I'll just show you once I've got my stitches in. And like I said, try and make them nice and even. So you want four creases, which is in 1, 2, 3, out, and on your back you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously the more even you get your stitches, the better your centre crease will be. I'm just going to take care of that fraying, and like I said, make sure you've gone through all your layers as you've gone. And then we want to do exactly the same this side. Like I said, make sure you start with doing both layers together, and again it's from above. Like I said, try and get your stitches nice and even. take your pin out once you've got enough stitches in. Make sure you're going through all your layers on this bit as well. Just gonna even those out a little bit more. As like I said, if you're starting, you want to end out. And again, we've got the 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 1, 2, 3, out, and on the back you will have 4 again. Okay, and then we can cinch both of our sides together. We'll have 4 creases this side and 4 creases on the other. And what I like to do is reline them all up nice and even, like this. And then as close to the centre as you can, because you want to be able to wrap this and hide this away. Go back through one side and then do the same the other side. Make sure they're all nice and even and lined up like this, so you've got 4 nice even creases. And again, go back through that side, and then I'm just going to stitch off. Just going to go through that one again, and then we'll stitch off. There we go. Stitch off in the back, however you personally prefer. I'm just going to take one over, make sure it doesn't separate as we're wrapping our centre in a minute. It's just from above. Go through one of your creases that side and through one that side, and that'll just stop that from popping open when we wrap our centres, because we don't want that. And one more back stitch and then we're done. And I always use extra strength Gutermann's upholstery thread. So there we go. That's that out of the way. And that's what you will get. Like I said, your nice marble effect this side, white this side, marble effect pink. So like I said, it looks really pretty like that. And like I said, for our centre, we're going to attach our seamless bobble on. With just a touch of blue. And then what I do is I've got 2 pieces of 9mm ribbon here. Like I said, I've got one white and one pink, but like I said, you could do whatever colours you wanted. Just going to cut both of them down so they're both nice and clean edged. And then what I do is you want a tiny dot of glue just there, so you can attach your ribbon together like this. So this is a look you've got. And then what we do is we're going to glue this side just a little bit, and we're going to glue this to the back of the ribbon like so. And then what you do is twist. So we did that twist that side. But you don't want to overlap. You just want to sort of take them over. Like so. And keep doing it until you re-meet the back. And like I said, do that nice and tight. And then once you've re-met the ribbon this side, touch of glue here, and you can glue that back down. Cut that off, and always heat seal. There we go. And then make sure your twist's in place. the last one, so you've got your effect, like so. And again, take off your excess, heat seal that, and then we're going to glue that down as well, like so. And then we'll just make that wider. Right, we'll make that a little bit. Right, I won't do that as tight. That's better. So you can see it's a bit wider. There, that's better. I'll just re-glue that. Like I said, be careful, don't pull it too tight as you saw, otherwise it looks too narrow and doesn't cover your centre as well as it could do. And then re-glue. I'll show you. There we go. That's much better for the centre. So like I said, you've got that nice little twisted knot effect that's hiding and balancing out your bow centre nicely. So like I said, it's a really pretty way of being able to show anywhere between two, 3 or 4 colours and mixing it up. And like I said, it's a nice effective way of doing something slightly different. Like I said, it's perfect for showing off this marble print ribbon, because I've got 2 matching ones now for a nice pigtail set or on their own. And thank you for watching. If you need any more help with anything whatsoever, I've got links for the Facebook page and the group below, along with all the measurements, and I'll put the measurements for all the different widths that I'm aware of that this will work for, so you can have a play around with your different sizes if you've not got any 3-inch ribbon. And like I said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!